how to fix not being able to talk on Discord mobile on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem easy and quick on any Android phone. First open Discord and open settings, and here you will find voice. Click on it, and here you will find auto sensitivity. You will find it like that. Just disable it and then make sensitivity low, and that's it. Make it low and then just go back and try again and your problem must be fixed, and that's it. If that doesn't fix your problem, just restart your Discord and try again. And now don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.